You're a seasoned speaker now. Hi, Rajalakshmi. We are live, and thank you for accepting my invitation. And I guess you are the first doctor in my show. I'm just recalling. I've got 50 guests so far, so I was just recalling. But yes, you are the doctor in my show, and you've been amazing since I've known you. And I've already told you once when we had the first conversation that I was really, एक लाइट जैसी थी आपकी personality, the profile picture itself, and amazing personality. I've met you in person as well. So Rajalakshmi and me, we are from the licensed purpose coach community. That's where we got to meet together. Though we have our own reasons to say कि कैसे मिले. But she's a pediatrician. She's a therapist. I've seen her do the live work, and I'm so amazed by her power of healing people. And we'll talk more about that. And tell us, introduce yourself, Dr. Rajalakshmi, so that people can know you, who you are, where you are.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Rajalakshmi. I'm a pediatrician and a family physician. I hail from Ongole, Andhra Pradesh. I'm a Tamilian. We belong to those old Madras partition, My forefathers and all belong to the Madras state. So that's how childhood I grew up as a middle child between two lovely and awesome brothers with whom I share a lovely bonding even today. And subsequently, I grew up. I My initial school education system has been very peculiar. I have not studied my third standard. I've done my sixth standard two times. I didn't do my ninth, and I straight away went and did Andhra matriculation, which is not considered the elite stream of education. And after the matriculation, again I time passed for 1 or 2 years because my age was not fitting in. I used to play badminton. I got a lovely break for badminton when I was very young, when I was in my maternal uncle's place, a short stint in my childhood I had. So there I was exposed to sports. My elder brother and I, one small win and a small encouragement and opportunity paved the way for an entire badminton career. A three-legged race we participated, and I found a new partner. We tied, we practiced a few steps. That was the first win. So the kick of sports set in, and then we were playing. And subsequently, I returned to my hometown. I represented AP State and Tamil Nadu. Three times I've been the state champion. This is my sports, this thing. And as far as the education is concerned, after doing this Andhra matriculation, I was a little overconfident. When I did my 12th, I thought I will get off easily in the sports quota. Why should I study? My father cautioned me. He said, this particular year, if they remove the sports quota, what will you do? True enough, in the entire history of Andhra Pradesh, that particular year when I appeared for MBBS, the sports quota was abolished because there was some conflicts. It was there. And because I was a Tamilian, subsequently I joined Kilpak Medical College, Chennai. And I
Wow.
have done my MBBS in Kilpak Medical. I had a boyfriend. I subsequently married him. I met him when I was 15. It was that young teenage love, you see. And God gave him to me for a long time. I met him for a game of badminton because of game of badminton. And destiny had a turn, Ranjani. I lost him
Yeah.
because of badminton when I was 40 years. He passed away due to a massive heart attack. So this has
Yes.
been a very roller coaster kind of a life. There has been so much self-development has been my passion. My younger brother gave me one advice when he visited me for the first time. He was younger than me by 5 years. He looked at me and I was busy, trying to mold this cigarette smoking habit of my husband. He said,
Hmm.
"You want to accept a person the way he is and the way he is not. You're spoiling your entire happiness because of this." And true enough, that was the first learning in self development, accepting people the way they are and the way they are not. I remember the book. He gave me Dale Carnegie's book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. I loved the book. The passion for self-development started with that book and with that advice of my younger brother. And life
That-
took a turn, when my husband passed away. I was told, please do the Isha Yoga program. By then, I was already leading a very, how shall I say, I've been through depression, I've come out of depression, so many things. I have emerged very powerfully. So when I did this Isha Yoga program in 2007, I did it with a very open mind. I thought I don't need this. But true enough,
Mm.
there I learned something. Why I'm sharing is every self-development program or personality development I have come across. It's been a long innings. I've learned so much from everything. When I got
Mm.
introduced to a program called the Landmark Worldwide,
Yes.
also incidentally, my children's boarding school principal introduced me to it. And what I got out of that program was when situations happen in our life, we emerge powerful despite the situation. What I
Yes.
learned out of that program is to live life powerfully by choice, choosing that situation you are in, and not because of a situation you became strong. So that was something
Mm.
very powerful I got out of that. Subsequently, I've been visiting wherever I get a chance. Crystal healing, I'm there. You name it, I'm learning. Louis Hayes, Heal Your Life module, I'm there. I keep learning, I keep learning. The passion went on. I remarried at the age of 50. My husband and son from that marriage used to say, Auntie is very fine, except for this self development obsession of hers. I used to tell my husband, I don't do self development programs just to learn. Yes, to
Mm.
learn and to improve myself. Yes, 100%. One day, I will bring about a very powerful program which will be a great amalgamation of all the learnings I've taken from all these programs. This is what I would declare. And slowly and surely, it is moving on as a manifestation. I have two
Yes.
lovely children from my first marriage. Uh, Older one is a daughter, younger one, a biological male. Subsequently, Ranjani, there is a medical condition called as gender dysphoria, where children are born in an assigned sex, but they feel a different way. So,
Mm.
I've been supporting, as a family, we have been supporting this child. 28th September, I have declared that I have two daughters. And
Yes.
it's a journey, and I'm very peaceful and happy about it. I'm so happy that I'm able
Mm.
to support my child. And yes,
Yes.
second marriage, very lovely person, very different. How shall I say? When you marry at 20, 25, you mold yourself in a particular way. When you are marrying at the age of 50, the scene is totally different because you're not in the same place. You're living in two different places and you're totally different mindsets. You got molded differently. It
Yes.
was a learning, a relearning, and a emptying and a resetting. So today I can say I have peaceful relationship. We are quite comfortable, understood each other. That's what I can say today. Still, I would
Yes.
like to spend more time, but because clinic is there, patients are there, some commitments are there, children are settling down, commitments are there. Older ones, daughters' marriage is around the corner. Younger ones are now the transitioning is on. On the other side, the husband and the child from that marriage, that child is also getting settled, working in Cisco.
Mm.
All are, let us say, all of us are in various stages of settling down despite our ages. And
That's
there
so beautiful. Amazing.
I met you. It's been
Yes.
awesome. 2021, I've been working so much in the pandemic. At the age of almost 54, I was working double that of a person half my age. I've covered
Mm.
people in home visits, small children I have vaccinated in their homes. You name it, I have done it. looked after the babies in the hospitals so that they don't have to come traveling to my clinic. Then in life there comes a turning point. After giving so much
Mm-hmm.
of service, one day in the clinic there was some unnecessary altercation. There was nothing, you can take a situation two ways. You can either brush it off because the other person is in the wrong, or
Mm.
you may get slightly affected and introspect and come up with something. The second thing
Mm.
happened to me. I
Mm.
introspected. I said, so far I'm in the clinic, okay, I've been serving, I'm looking after people. What is it that I'm doing? I'm actually cut out for much more than this. And I was very vexed
Mm.
and I took off the clinic for almost 1.5 months. This was the first break I took. Then I got
Mm.
connected to very powerful mentors. I met Dev Gadvi sir in the Passionpreneur the community. I met Nitesh Gowde in the LPCC community.
Mm.
And my own friend and mentor, Dr. Neil Kantan, was there. He's a holistic healer. He was doing the inner cell healing module.
Mm.
Everywhere it was, as though the universe was talking to me.
Mm.
In my
Yes.
mentor's short course, I got a powerful message. The powerful message was the singular most cause of unhappiness in your life is because you're people pleasing. And then I
Mm.
got it so powerfully. I was no different. As a doctor, I was trying to please every patient of mine, every colleague of mine. I was stretching myself. Those days, no maid servant, no support at
Mm.
home. We were doing cooking, cleaning, and then you are stretching, stretching, stretching. In the home visits, also, people would demand. You said 5 o'clock, it is 5:15. Where are you? That much it was
Right.
bad. So then, yes, a very powerful breakthrough came when 2021, 1st September, last week of August, I did a small webinar. One of my patients helped me with the email and all that, I'm still learning tech savviness, very well.
Yeah.
You have to teach me even payment links. So, this September 2021, what started as a small relaxation program. It was when I started, it was a 40 minutes module. Then it became 30, learning all the teachings of all my mentors. One of my earliest mentor was Mr. Pradeep Agarwal of the Institute of Mind Control and Development. He's a master hypnotist and an NLP practitioner. His signature program is Hypno NLP, where he combines
Mhm.
self hypnosis with NLP. I did a 2-day workshop, and I'm happy to say whatever he taught in that 2 days workshop, I have taken it 100% learning with not even
Mm.
not 1% left behind. I could apply all those techniques in the clinic, Ranjani, over the years, but I didn't know how to project myself. So the breakthrough came
Mhm.
on 1st of September. Then, as I did first session, one of my participants felt better. Arthritis, she felt better. Then I thought something must be a fluke because I didn't have great self belief in myself when I
Mm.
started. As when we
Right.
start any new thing, we are still in the
Yes.
process. So finally,
Yes.
what happened when my second participant, when she reversed allergic rhinitis, she was very badly affected by it. Even steroids were not helping her. I had sent her to specialist, no relief, almost in tears. About 10 days into the session, she said, my cold has disappeared. Couldn't help but remember Louise Hay's healing. She says, allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, and all are equivalent to irritation with someone close. That is her philosophy. So, when you actually
Mm.
apply the teachings of forgiveness, self love, and all, apart from all other things, nature healing,
Mm.
everything in the session, she reversed. Then more results started coming. People reversed
Mm.
migraine, anxiety, depression. Somebody's 6 months stomach pain vanished. By now, I compiled the feedbacks. About 80 testimonials we have. each one more powerful than the other. Still, concept is too hard to digest. People think it is a meditation, but it is not
Hmm.
meditation. My
This is magic.
mentor, my mentor Pradeep Agarwal sir would give recorded videos, one on
Hmm.
confidence, one for anxiety, one for success. Here in the module, because I've learned from my master, I have merged everything:
Hmm.
self-love, success, empowerment, everything, you name it, creative visualization, goal setting, nature's healing, little tidbits you saw in the workshop the other day.
Yes, yes, I've seen it live. You're doing everything. No,
So
and it was amazing, magical.
I've come to the present moment. This is where I am, and I'm very, very happy I met you. Because see,
Yes.
I have powerful mentors, but where you come in is you're a friend, you're a guide. I can take my phone and ask you. I have that much accessibility with you. I can ask you the stupidest of doubts, which I'm not able to ask anywhere else. Huh? Let me tell you, with all due regards to all my mentors, I cannot do it there. And then I have
Hmm.
small little things, Canva I'm learning. Here, you designed the poster and gave me. It is like a big push, It is like a visualization board right in front of me. And then it has to manifest. There is no other way. I
Yes.
delayed by a month because I had
Yes.
enough good excuses my way. I had enough good excuses. All genuine excuses. Nothing was, not even one excuse was wrong. Everything was
Yes.
correct excuse.
Everything is valid. Everything is valid.
So sometimes, even though you may have all the knowledge, you need one person who is immediately able to handhold you and make you do the first two or three steps. As a mother would help the toddler catch hold and balance the initial few steps till the person is confident in taking extra steps and running the mile. And that's where you are for me. And I am very, very thankful to you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. So let's talk about, what's next. So having, because you have given in detail what you do and what, amazing results. So having reached this point where you are able to do your own launches, starting from poster to payment link to engaging audience to finally making an offer. You have a community, I think 200, almost 200 people, and 60 people showed up for your paid webinar, and this is a very very good number. And you have no, that shows the, you have that, uh, you have it, that the opportunity is coming to you. And now what? Because you could see results in your patients, in people, and that motivated you to do more. And it is very much my story. When I wanted to give up, somebody gave me a call and said, I liked your program and I want to join. And that made me, okay, no, not give up and do it for that person who had called me. And since then, I have built so much from that point where you want to give up. So now tell me, what is the future? What are you thinking? What you will do in 2023? What programs you offer? Tell us your plans.
Yeah, I will tell you what are my plans. Many dimensional plans. Okay, what I missed out telling you is the graphotherapy certification which I've taken from my other mentor, Imran Beg. NLP, I have further honing my skills with Mitesh Khatri, Law of Attraction and NLP trainer. I'm in both their communities. So in fact, my mentor Mitesh Khatri told me, he saw me when I did school workshops. He said, "You must train the teachers." This is what he said. So,
Hmm.
teachers is one aspect. I would say caregivers. My children
Hmm.
are all perfect. It is the adults who need not to react, respond.
Yes.
And my children are sorted. So, on one hand, programs are on, small little modules are on, the relaxation sessions, people are asking and joining, and they're getting results. Already, results are still flowing, and they will flow more. And the graphotherapy coaching which I'm doing. See, I am a certified graphotherapist who has learned to heal through handwriting. I can make out certain health issues through handwriting, and I can give corrective guidance. By virtue of being with my law of attraction mentor, I know what affirmations may be tailor made for certain people. So
Hmm.
I can empower many people in a powerful way. One of the signature program which will come is an amalgamation. I would
Hmm.
probably call it hypno grapho NLP this time. Combining
Good,
all
good one.
three modules with
Good one.
creative visualization so that I can empower the people. I'm learning how to help children with scientific handwriting. I've still not mastered that skill, but I will
Hmm.
definitely learn so that a time will come in collaboration with my mentor. We can help out many schools. Teachers probably could be trained into handwriting for children. This is
Yes.
one approach. The other thing is NLP working in the clinic. Small
Hmm.
results, overcoming phobias, difficulties in subjects, getting confidence, removal of fear of public speaking. All this 5 minutes you can achieve it for children. Children are very, very moldable. It is adults I say need 21 days. Children only need not even 21 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes are enough for children.
Yes.
Recently, I had an opportunity to work with an international tennis player. I'm very,
Yes.
very, very much in eager anticipation of her breakthroughs, more than her or more than their parents also, because I know once in her
Yes.
success, my concept will be all over the place because it is very easy to empower children, Ranjini. Only people
Yes.
don't or not aware of it. You can
Yes.
very easily empower children. And parents ask, when are you starting programs for children? They think child only requires everything, but
Hmm.
both of them require. So, for children also, still something more will come in 2023. At this point, it is still, what to say, it is in the budding stage.
Yes.
Come out. It'll come out. I
Yes.
wish. I wish to impact as many schools as possible. Teach the teachers in NLP techniques so that the school gets empowered. If the school gets empowered,
Wonderful.
get empowered, the country will get empowered. There is that much potential.
Yes. You are
Because
actually forwarding my vision that self-development should be part of the regular curriculum in schools. Like
very
children
much,
should be taught
very
personal mastery at the very young age of 10, no? And then it should be like a another
much.
subject where no there is a dedicated teacher. So very much you are in line and I'm happy like yes, no. See, you attract people who are in the same, no, the same
Correct.
एक साथ चल रहे हैं हम our no our journey is the same. We are just partners in this, and
Yeah.
I am looking forward to this tennis player becoming a brand ambassador of your program.
I'm wholeheartedly waiting. I'm so intentional. I have clicked a picture with her. I got it
Yes.
ready. I told the parents,
Yes.
मैं advance में लेके रख रही हूँ.
Definitely, definitely. You can really create magic, and especially the people in the no, in these sports and the very high performing individuals, no, because it's all in the game of the mind. And no, you are somebody who can just pick that pin and no throw it, and just things will no, they will show amazing success in their performance. So I've seen therapists doing this magic, and I'm looking forward that kind of world class success for you as a mentor. So even I am intentional that you accomplish.
Thank you so much. It'll mean, how shall I say, my life's purpose will be achieved in this. As a doctor, 35 years, I have served my patients. I have enough energy. I'm taking care of them. But a bigger role is definitely awaiting. It is there.
Yes,
And
yes. So
every individual breaks through their limiting beliefs and take one step at a time. All of us are capable of contributing in our own way. Everybody, every single person in this planet. That is
Yes.
what I
And
believe.
yeah, and somehow you had that moment that you can do it. There is more to your life rather than just treating, being a pediatrician. There is more to you, and thank you. You acknowledge that, and you're now taking action consistent. Like her next webinar on graphotherapy is coming up this week. Is that?
I said I have to keep my momentum up. Even if there is one participant, it is okay. I do the webinar. Then I
Absolutely.
do.
You will transform that person, because as you said, through handwriting, you are actually making that, shift is really, really powerful and, mesmerizing actually.
What I
So,
learned is
yeah, tell me.
handwriting. Yeah, one of the things I learned in the handwriting was in the 4-line book, my writing would fit only 2 lines. So if
Hmm.
writing fits only 2 lines, we are people who cannot look at the future. So I have
Hmm.
started actually practicing the stroke so that I not only look at the future, but look at the future with a visionary mind. So I'm practicing a
Hmm.
particular stroke every day for being a visionary.
Visionary, yes, absolutely. And that visionary showing up, and and that was amazing. And before we close this conversation, Rajalakshmi, though you spilled a lot of gold, what is the message that you want to leave with the people today,
The
or the
sim-
listeners?
the simple message is no matter where you are in life, no matter at what mental state you are in life, very easily everything can be reversed provided you are with the right person who can help you come out of it.
Hmm.
Therapists are one place, friends, community, very important. If you are in the right community, the community itself will uplift you. They are non-judgmental people. So you have to. It is very easy. Take support, and for children, the take-home message powerfully for everyone. Watch words, empowering words for children all the time. One encouragement goes
For a
decades and
lifetime.
decades for them, and one critical comment can mar their success for a long time.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no problem. You can
This
put it
is
off.
no, this is that WhatsApp guy. Patients are calling. No? I'm sorry, I
Yes,
put it on silent, but
no problem, no problem. So that was wonderful talking to you, and you shared a lot and a lot of gold. And I know working with you, whether it is a child or an adult, they will have a 360-degree transformation. And I look forward to your success, being partner in your journey. And we'll have another conversation soon on another success story. Thank you so much for joining, Dr. Raj Lakshmi.
thank you, dear Ranjani. Very happy to be with you. Thank you once again. We will be associated in the future for sure.
All right, dear. Take care and bye for now.